Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we start our presentation, we will introduce ourselves. The first, let me introduce myself. My name is Mauna Istighfaroh. I'm from Public Health Department, Faculty of Sport Science, University Negeri Semarang. And Mr. Lukman Fauzi as Assistant Professor in Public Health Department, Faculty of Sport Science, University Negeri Semarang. We will present our presentation entitled Age and Comorbidity Factors Associated with COVID-19 Mortality in Java Island. So the first, I will explain about the background. So as we all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has spread in the whole world for more than 2 years, and it made the COVID-19 pandemic become the major health problem in the world. In the world as of April 11, 2022, there were around 500 million people who were confirmed to exposed to COVID-19. And of the total cases, 1.24% of them died. Indonesia is a country that ranked 18 with the highest COVID-19 cases in the world. And in Asia, Indonesia in the top 5 countries with the highest COVID-19 cases, with India, South Korea, Vietnam, and Japan. And then in the Southeast Asia, Indonesia is the second place for the country that have the highest COVID-19 cases after Vietnam. And then as of April 11, 2022, in Indonesia, there were more than 6 million people that confirmed for COVID-19. And for it is out of the total people that tested for COVID-19 is around 9.8% from the people that tested for COVID-19 is confirmed for positive COVID-19. And from this total cases, 1.2% were still active cases, and then 96.3% recovered, and 2.6% died. In the Java Island, the Java Island is an island in the Indonesia that has the highest COVID-19 cases. Six provinces in Java Island occupy the top 6 position with the highest COVID-19 cases, with Jakarta ranking first, followed by West Java, Central Java, East Java, Banten, and Special Region of Yogyakarta. Due to the high incidence of COVID-19 on Java Island, the death rate from the COVID-19 on Java Island is also ranked the highest in Indonesia. And because of that, we are interested in presenting the data related to the distribution of age and comorbidities that are associated with COVID-19 mortality in Java Island. And then the objective of this article are describe the distribution of COVID-19 mortality based on the sex, age group, symptoms, and comorbidities in Java Island, Indonesia. And then for the method, the type of research used in this article is descriptive analysis research with secondary data as the source. The data source used consists of, the first is daily report of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia, and then Indonesian health profile and Indonesian basic health research. The next for the result and discussion will be explained by Mr. Lukman.
Okay, thank you. From this bar graph, we can conclude that the mortality due to COVID-19 among male is higher than female in 6 provinces in Java Island. And the male signed by the orange bar and the female signed by blue bar. The next slide. If we see the COVID-19 mortality by sex, next one, by age group, the elderly is the age group who contribute most to COVID-19 mortality. The elderly means the people who the age more than 60 years old. The next one. And if we see from this bar by symptoms, the most common symptom experienced by patients who died from COVID-19 on the Java Island was cough, followed by fever and shortness of breath. And the last one is by comorbidities. From this bar graph, we may know that hypertension, the blue bar, and diabetes mellitus, the orange bar, are two comorbidities that most contribute to the death due to COVID-19 in 6 provinces in Java Island. In Banten, West Java, East Java, special region of Yogyakarta, Central Java, and Jakarta. And the conclusion is, on the Java Island, the percentage of COVID-19 mortality in male is higher than female. And by age group, the elderly, 60 years old people, are the risk factor of dying from COVID-19. And the most common symptom the most common symptom experienced by patients who died from COVID-19 was cough, followed by fever and shortness of breath. And the last one is diabetes and hypertension are the two risk factors that contribute to the death due to COVID-19. And we would like to say thank you to all parties who helped to this article, and say goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.